Looking for a ready for occupancy home dito sa Las Piñas? This is your chance na. Only 685,300 down payment ay pwede mo na malipatan ang unit. No need to wait long dahil ready for occupancy na to. Located sa Ermines Village, Las Piñas City. Napaka-accessible ng location nito. 15 minutes lang to NAIA Terminal, 5 minutes to SM Sucat, Dr. Santos LRT Station, and Floried New Global South. Malapit sa lahat ng kailangan mo. More reasons kung bakit magugustuhan mo ang property. Dahil flood-free area ito at safe ang subdivision dahil guarded ito 24/7, free title transfer fee na at complete turnover pa, kaya ready to use na at no additional work needed. That area nito ay 52 square meter at ang floor area ay 58 square meter. Meron itong 3 bedrooms kaya saktong-sakto sa growing family mo. To toilet and bath kaya napaka-convenient. One gated car garage kaya secure ang sasakyan mo. We also offer free tripping daily kaya tara and see the unit personally. Contact us sa 0967-520-7287. Pwede ka din mag-message sa WhatsApp or Viber. Grab mo na to bago pa makuha ng iba. See you!